Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to change language in Moj App. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Moj is an Indian video sharing social networking service owned by Bangalore-based Mahala Tech Private Limited. It features special effects, emoticons, stickers and short videos that have a duration of 15 seconds to 1 minute under genres like dance, travel, singing, acting, comedy, and education. To change language on Moj App, simply click on the app. Click on the profile icon, which is at bottom rightmost corner of the app. Now click on 3 dots, which is at top rightmost side of the app. It will take you to the profile settings. Now click on Change Your Language button. Select the language you like and click on Confirm. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.